Jai Hind cadets, today we are going to study the Indian desert and the coastal plains. The Indian desert, first we will see the location of desert in India. This is called as the Thar desert, and this desert is located in the part of Rajasthan state, western side of Aravalli Hills. The Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hill. These regions are an undulating sandy plains with sand dunes. When we talk about climate, this region receives very low rainfall. It is below 150 mm per year, very low rainfall. So here it has arid climate with low vegetation cover. If no rainfall will be there, the vegetation will be also very less here. It is very clearly seen by this figure. Streams appear during the rainy season. When rain is there, then streams will appear, otherwise rest of the days it will be dry. Streams disappear into the sand as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. We can take the example of Luni River. Luni is the only large river in this region. This is the location of Luni River, and it is a landlocked, starting from one particular place and ending here on land. That is why it is called as the landlocked river. It is west flowing river. This is the only river of Rajasthan which is longer. Next, Barkhans, crescent shaped dunes. Barkhans are crescent shaped dunes. Cover large areas, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. Near the Indo-Pakistan boundary, these are more prominent. A group of Barkhans is seen in Jaisalmer. Now the coastal plains. Here this is the location of the coastal plains. Western coastal plain, this is eastern coastal plains, and this is a triangular landmass which is called as the peninsular plateau. Peninsular means surrounded three sides by water bodies. This side water body is Bay of Bengal. This side, western side, is having Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, western side, eastern side of India is having Bay of Bengal. And these coastal regions are eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. The peninsular plateau is flanked by a stretch of narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. It is very much clear from this map. The western coast, sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, is a narrow plain. Western coastal plains. It consists of three sections. The northern part of the coast is called the Konkan. The Konkan plain. This is the location, Konkan plain, from Mumbai to Goa. This coastal region is called as the Konkan plain. The central stretch is called the Kannada plain. This middle part, western side of Karnataka state, western coastal region, Kannada plain. The southern part is referred to as the Malabar coast. Malabar coast in Kerala state. So right from north to south, Konkan, Kannada and Malabar. This figure is very quite clear. Next, the eastern coastal plains. The plains along the Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal. The plains along the Bay of Bengal are wide. These are wide. And western coastal plains are narrow. These plains are wide and level. Wide and level. This is the important characteristics of eastern coastal plains. The northern part is referred to as the Northern Sarkar. The southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. So eastern coastal plains is divided into two main plains, Northern Sarkar and Coromandel coast. Large rivers, the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri have formed extensive delta on this coast. Eastern coastal region here, Coromandel coast, Kaveri river, Krishna river, Godavari river, Mahanadi river, all these rivers are coming from western side and going towards eastern side and finally goes to Bay of Bengal. These rivers are making delta near the river mouth before meeting the larger water bodies, that is Bay of Bengal. So this is the important features which is seen in the eastern coastal plains. So deltas are formed. Lakes, again in the eastern coastal plains, lake is there, and the name of the lake is an important feature along the eastern coast. The Chilka Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. It lies in the state of Odisha to the south of the Mahanadi Delta. Mahanadi river. This river is making delta, and south of this river Chilka Lake is located. Rest we will be studying in the next video. Thank you very much.